Now, first thing you see is this book called App Your Zayn. Your Zayn story starts here, right? And when you open the book, you get your manual, how to use it, which most probably I will need. And then you have the warranty, which means if anything ever goes wrong, which I believe nothing will go wrong, you can get it sorted out immediately. And this is something I'm going to explain in a while, which is damn exciting, called the Amasqua element of App Your Zayn, which I'll explain. So I'm going to leave this here standing, or hopefully it's in the camera view. Now the first thing you see inside is this. This is what the App Your sits on. It's very beautifully designed, very practical. Let's call it the stand. Okay, and inside here there's another box which is full of these plug points or connecting stuff, which we will figure out later. And ta-da! The supply plug thing, alright, that supplies electricity to the App Your Zayn, so it works. Okay, now it's all wrapped up in this thing. Inside there's nothing else, so we can move the box to the side. So now this is the main component, alright. It's covered by this, recyclable hopefully, alright. And this is App Your Zayn. As I mentioned, we have the stand, and you put it on the stand like that, alright. Now App Your Zayn requires a little bit of work, alright. So first thing you have to do, I'm trying to do this all by myself, is disconnect it. It's very easy to disconnect. This part and this part, it's connected by very reliable magnets, alright. Now once you disconnect, you see this, okay. And App Your Zayn is an air filter. It comes with many components that making sure that air goes through it and comes out to the purest form, okay. So first thing is this. I'm going to put this here, we call it the cover, and this is the filter, the HPP filter, the cluster filter. It basically removes 99.8% of all airborne bacteria, and anything that's bad in our air is removed by this amazing filter, alright, which you use for maybe a few months or a year depending on the air quality at your home, and then you buy another one as an RSP product. So you know Amasqua is the most amazing product line, okay, and what we wanted to do is make App Your Zayn so unique that there's no air pure product in the world, I mean air filtering product in the world that could match us, by adding energy, alright, into the air that comes out through the App Your Zayn. So we have a card here, alright, the App Your Zayn card, at the back, Amasqua. Now there is technology in this card, alright, which emits energy when the air is coming out. So you don't get only pure filtered air, you get energized air in your room or living room or bedroom, wherever you plan to put it. The air goes from here and it's sucked through the HPP filter and the cluster filter, and then it comes to the middle area where there is a UV light that further kills any bacteria that might escape, the 0.02% that is not covered by the 99.8%. alright, bottom line guys, when you switch this baby on, the air that comes out through here, alright, it's like you live in Switzerland. Green means the air in this room where I'm sitting right now is pretty okay. Now a few people start smoking, you open the window, the dust comes in, this color of the light will turn to red, which simply means the air quality is bad, and App Your Zayn will automatically adjust whatever is required, alright, increasing the speed of the fan and everything else, alright, to purify or filter the air even faster. So guys, this is your chief, very excited of actually doing something on my own, of fixing and switching on the App Your Zayn, the newest, most exciting product. I can feel the air coming out. Switzerland, that's all I can say guys, it is freaking Switzerland.